Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to create a Spotify account step by step. First, open Spotify and then click sign up for free. Then, you could choose to continue with email, continue with Google, or continue with Apple. Choose the option you want to pick and then click sign in. If you're signing in with your Gmail, then enter your email address, create a password, and choose a username. You can also sign up using Google, Facebook, or Apple for quicker access, just like this. After that, fill up your date of birth, gender, and then agree to the terms and conditions. Then tap sign up to complete the process. Once you're done, your Spotify account will be created and ready to use. That's how you sign up for Spotify. If you found this helpful, do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more helpful tutorials.